back everyone, and for today we're gonna do missing number. So I already have done it, so let me explain you how to do this question. So in this what we have to do is you're given all the numbers between 1 to n except 1. That means if 5 is given, you have everything between 1 to 5 and then only one number is missing. So they have not given you that number. So basically you have n minus 1 numbers. And what you have to do is find out that missing number. So this is also a very classic problem, and it's not very difficult if you think a bit. And the thing that we're going to do in this question is use the property of the sum of natural numbers. So we know the sum of natural numbers is n into n plus 1 divided by 2. So we are given n, and what we do is take the input of n numbers, that is n minus 1 thing will be taken, and after taking the input I have kept it in a vector because vector is a better way of representation in this competitive programming, because you do not have to exactly specify how much, it can grow on its own, and that's a very cool feature to have, and that's why we should learn how to use vectors. So if you do not know about vectors or need to freshen up your concepts about vectors, then what I recommend is going to Geeks for Geeks. So if we go to GFG, vector VCTORS STL. So if we go here, this is what I refer usually because it has everything in a precise manner. So everything about vectors is given, and all the iterators and everything that you need basically is given over here. So just looking at it, you can understand it's nothing very big. So this is what I refer when I need to know about some STL, or I forget some syntax and all. So you can do that as well. So Geeks for Geeks, and whatever STL you need, just type that in and you'll get it, whatever you need. So after that, so I have used vector, and I took the input, and for taking input inside vector you have to do num.pushback and whatever the number is, and I took the number in USR and then pushed it back, and along with that what I did is sum each and every element of whatever we are getting in the input. So we have sum of the n minus 1 numbers and we have sum of natural numbers, and subtract both of them, you'll get the one that is missing. So that is the logic over here. If we do control plus B, that is build. Okay, I have not given an input, so the input over here is 52315. 52315. Sum was not declared in this scope. Okay, better. Now let's do control B. Finished 4. So that is our answer. You can see output should be 4 and we have 4. So this is how you do this question. Also keep in mind that you have to use long, because if we see in the constants we have 2 into 10 to the power 5. It can go, n can go up to 2 into 10 to the power 5. So the sum can go even longer. So you have to use long. That's why I have used long over here. Now if we submit to desktop cp and main.cpp and then submit. Okay, what happened? Okay, sorry. So keep that in mind. You have to comment these. So CTRL plus / will do that, and then again control build. Okay, we don't really need that. And is it saved? Yes, it's saved. And then after that, if I submit, choose file main.cpp and submit. Okay, it's accepted. So this is how you do this question. Now the main goal over here is that you have to understand the logic. I mean, you cannot build it overnight, but these small problems, if you know the logic behind these problems, then obviously you can solve the problems which are of higher level, because they also require something of these sort, and you just have to mix and match all the algorithms and all the concepts to solve new questions. So basically that's what we're trying to do over here. We're trying to build up our concepts and logic in smaller questions, in simpler questions, and we will use these logics only in for a future, so to solve our programming contest problems and all that. So I hope you understood this problem and liked my explanation. If you did, then please give us a thumbs up, also subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you get notified whenever we post a video. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again with the next problem. Bye bye, take care.